have demonstrated it works, but it seems to work sometimes and then other times it doesn't work. So I think the main thing we need to get is consistency after we get that, because we need to remember that we're not going to be using this stuff, so we're not going to be able to troubleshoot it after we're done with this. There'll be like scientists and real people that are going to be using it, and if it doesn't work on its first try, like, we have problems.
Everything is pretty much done. There's just a lot of very rough ends that we need to make them look pretty. Like, the code works, just not well. The machine moves, just not well. Like, there's a lot of things like that where it works, but we should make it better.
After Life Science Week, it's going to be more of perfecting it so it's more accurate, so that whenever we're going to probably take the pictures and analyze them and then see those numbers that it gets analyzed after that. So kind of going to that next step.
I think they accomplished a very nice prototype. I think it requires more work, but I think we accomplished what we set up. I mean, the goal was never the machine. Of course we want the machine, but the idea was to explore interdisciplinary projects, research and education in the same.
I think you need to think far, like not just like step by step. You can't just jump to the end, but you need to like think far.
Make sure that as you go forward, not only does it make sense to you, it makes sense to everybody else you're collaborating with. Like, at that point, then you can be pretty sure what you're doing is correct and it's the correct way to move forward.
So for me as an engineer, rather than just sitting in class and getting information and taking an exam, we're given a problem and solving it and getting a solution for it. That's what engineers do in real life. That's what we're supposed to do in a job setting. So fundamentally, being an engineer, it helped me find that feeling of what I'm supposed to feel like, and that stress and that level of work and competency, and what are we supposed to do day-to-day basis or week-to-week basis to figure out what we have to get done. It's getting that feeling of what to be, how to act, or how to be an engineer. So overall, it just made me an engineer. More than being a better engineer for students, I'm actually feeling like an engineer.
I think they knew that problems had a solution. They just need to work towards that solution, and they realize they have a network that they can rely on to solve those problems. So I think, if anything, they learn problem solving.